Puja, in its simplest definition, is an act of worship. And for many people, that's sufficient. But for my family, it's always more of an event, bringing friends and community together, sharing blessings, traditional customs, and sweets. You can never forget the sweets for a puja. I know my favorite part was shopping for bundi laddu with mum. And now, where there's an event, you'll also need an invite. Stick around and I'll guide you on how to create a beautiful and personalized puja invitation using Canva. Hi, I'm Ronak and I'm an engineering lead here at Canva. So many people who click this video would already know what puja is, but I'll explain it just in case. In its simplest form, it's a worship ritual showing devotion to one of my deities, honoring a guest, or even celebrating an event. Within Hindu culture, puja is performed across a variety of occasions, settings, and frequencies, and it's a flexible practice within Hinduism. For some, it's a daily home ritual, infusing everyday life with spirituality. And for others, it's performed periodically. And some may only partake occasionally at grand temple ceremonies, vibrant annual festivals, where it serves as a significant cultural milestone. It's not a mandatory act, but rather a personal expression of devotion. Almost all significant Hindu holidays involve puja and might include incense lighting, prayer chanting, and offering food like fruits and sweets, which, after the prayers, becomes prasad, food shared by all gathered. This is where the role of invitations comes in. Particularly for puja, celebrating significant life events like a baby's birth, a housewarming, or a wedding, it transforms into a jubilant gathering for friends and family. Invitations not only notify the guests of the event, but they also establish the desired theme, adding a personal touch to the celebration. Thankfully, in Canva, they're incredibly easy to make, print, and share. Now that reminds me, my friend Prateek recently made a video about Ganesh Chaturthi invitations. Go into the tips from the team playlist on YouTube and you'll find a bunch of tutorials about all sorts of things, updated weekly and even more. Here it is. In this video, he went into a bit of detail about how to customize a template. So I think I'll show you how to make an invite from scratch. Feel free to follow along, pausing the video as needed. Okay, you ready? From the home page, go to this button, type in what you're looking for, hover over the options to see their size. 5 by 7 inches is pretty typical, so I'll go for that. And I've chosen portrait. And oh, the blank page. This can be a bit scary. Let's get a bit of inspiration by going to the Elements tab and searching for puja. Ooh, there's so many elements to choose from. And some are modern and some are more traditional. See something you like? You could star it, add it to a folder, or what I typically do with one-off designs is just add a page and then drag and drop anything I like, resize using the handles. And this way I have all the inspiration close by. Find more like it by choosing See More like this. Oh, that one looks good too. You could also search for special sets. This one is one I particularly love at the moment. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, I think that's a good selection. I really like this one, so I might use that as my centerpiece. And now I no longer have a blank page. Let's organize some of the graphics. I need something extra to go here just so that it's balanced out. I might add a background as well. Just go here and select like this. Nice! This is starting to look great. Okay, now I think I'm ready to add some text. Don't be too decorative with font choice. It's fine to have some style, but remember, in all design, communication is the key. Just hit T on the keyboard to add text. Choose fonts later, just get all the info in. Sometimes I use Magic Write to help me along. It's that easy, much better. Okay, with the text there, I can start to think about how the hierarchy might work. What's the most important thing to read first? And then what? That's what hierarchy is, the visual journey you want people to take. To learn more about hierarchy, watch this video with Matt. He goes into a lot more detail. Hierarchy is designed to guide your audience towards the final element they should notice, the call to action, otherwise known as the CTA. This is what you want people to do next, like RSVP for instance. Okay, now let's find some fonts that will work. This will need something graphic, what we call a display font. They grab attention and set the mood, adding personality to your design. Oh, this looks like it will work. The rest of the information can be in a simpler font, something easy to read. I'll apply hierarchy through size, like this. And contrast, like this. Nice. Now, I don't know what your family is like, but there's no way I'll be able to design an invite for a family gathering without getting everyone's input. Thankfully, collaboration is easy on Canva. Just go here and enter everyone's email address and decide on the permission to give them. Editing if you want them to be able to move things around and add elements. Commenting if you just want the feedback. Answer any comments with text, a reaction, or emojis and stickers. Okay, everyone seems happy. To share this digitally, we can go here and create a view-only link. Send this link via email, messenger, or text, and this is what they'll see when they click on it. Simple, isn't it? To get this printed, go here, and Canva will print it for you and send it to your door. The preview shows how the finished product would look. I'll get the envelopes as well, so I can address and send them out. It couldn't be easier. Plus, with our one print, one tree promise, it's printing you can feel good about. We've committed over 6 million trees so far. Go here if you want to learn more about how it works. Okay, so that's how you can design a Puja invite from scratch in under 10 minutes. Any questions or feedback, we're all ears. Drop them in the comments below and we'll respond as soon as possible. Looks like you're still here with us in search of more engaging content. Our playlist here is packed with exciting videos you'll love. And speaking of which, this video right here could be your next watch. Until next time, take care.